The name was given, that is anode rays or canal rays. It have the property similar to the cathode rays. इनकी बहुत सारी जो प्रॉपर्टी थी वो कैथोड रेज जैसी ही थी. They travel in a straight line. They effect to the light metallic paddle wheel, but speed is little less. मेटेलिक व्हील का जो रोटेशन था वो थोड़ा सा कम था in compared to cathode rays, which prove that anode rays will have not much more kinetic energy just like the cathode rays. Then they affected by the electrical and magnetic field. ये इलेक्ट्रिकल और मैग्नेटिक फील्ड से इफेक्टेड हो रहे थे. That all the things are neutral. Therefore, J.J. Thomson made the gist. Definitely, if atom carry negatively charged particle, so definitely it will have positively charged particle. The name was given, that is proton. जो नाम दिया गया प्रोटॉन दिया गया. Another important thing is seen. When the cathode rays are produces, they never depend on the type of gas. Which gas is flowing, which gas is present into the tube, that is not dependent. But when the anode rays are produced, these anode rays are totally depend on the gas which is filled into the tube. एनोड रेस जो है वो ट्यूब में कौन सा गैस फिल किया है उस पर उसका नेचर और उसका वेवलेंथ डिपेंडेंट था. Now, by taking that atom carry electron and proton, the first atomic model were given by the scientist J.J. Thomson. J.J. Thomson ने he gave the first atomic model and the name of the model was watermelon model or also known as plum pudding model. Why it is known as watermelon? You saw the watermelon? The outer cover of the watermelon is green. So just like that, J.J. Thomson explained that outer cover of the atom is consist by positively charged particle proton, whereas seeds into the watermelon embedded into the flesh. Just like that, like the seeds, what happened? Electrons are embedded into the mass of the atom. This was the first model which is given by J.J. Thomson. But soon after, this model was failed because it is not explaining many properties of the atom. But why weightage is given to the atom? Because this is the first model which is given by any scientist after the discovery of electron and proton. Therefore, the model is preliminary model and it have importance and known as plum pudding model or also known as watermelon model. Many more models you already studied in previous classes. You already studied Rutherford's experiment, Rutherford's model, after that Bohr model, and after that Sommerfeld model, which is modern model of the atom. So when we move forward, we will discuss that models, what the model I told, that we will see, the experiment which is done by the scientist, that we will see, as well as because electron and protons are charged particle. Particle carry charge. I again and again using word particle. In term of physics, object can be of two types. Either they are particle or they are waves. या तो वो particle है और वो wave है. Particle have definite shape, size and mass. Chalk is a particle. We are also a type of particle. Atom is a particle, as well as our earth and the solid object into the universe. They all are the example of particle, and particle have definite mass. Whereas waves, they travel into the vacuum. They will not have any mass. They have the different definition, wavelength, amplitude, that we will discuss later. So here I am using word that electron is a particle, means definitely it have definite mass. So what the mass of the on an electron or an proton have, that will be clear by the J.J. Thomson's experiment, as well as what is the value of the charge over the electron and proton. That experiment will done by the scientist Millikan's. Millikan's oil drop experiment, that we will see in the next chapter. Chapter is very important and it will give the all information about the atom. So you start to make the notes. If any query, you can ask. Thank you. Have a nice day.